Good evening, everyone. It's been a while. Anyway, today nagpunta kami ng anak ko sa Makati. Nukno ka ng traffic! Papunta pa lang dun. Oh my gosh! Ang traffic na pabalik. Matraffic din. Ngayon pa lang kami nakabalik. Kanina pa kaming hapon. Anyway, we needed to go to Makati kasi he needed to see his eye doctor, si Doktora Abisamis ng Abisamis Eyes. Kasi na-realize namin na it's been 2 years pala since he started wearing Ortho-K. Ortho-K is a pair of contact lenses, hard contact lenses, and it's kind of thick that he wears at night and he sleeps with it. And in the morning, he'll take it out tapos lumilinaw yung mata niya. If you guys want to know kung ano yung story nun, I think nandito pa yung video nun eh. Gumawa ako ng video nun eh. But anyway, I'll tell you briefly lang din kung anong nangyari. During the pandemic, lumabo yung mata niya. Nag-umpisa siya ng 200, naging 300, 400, 500. Basta every month, tumataas yung grado ng mata niya. And I got very, very concerned. I got very angry. I felt very, anong tawag dyan, guilty because tumataas yung grado niya. So anyway, I talked to my husband and I said, it cannot be like that na hayaan na lang natin mabulag yung anak natin. Parang we were both very, very concerned. So tinawagan niya yung kumare namin, si kumaring Lilibeth. We asked for help. And tama-tama naman, nasa isang building lang sila, nahanap niya si Dr. Abisamis. Actually, magkakilala sila. So, by the time we were able to see Dr. Abisamis, yung grado ng mata niya was about mga 750 na. Can you imagine? Wala na siya nakikita pala, but he doesn't know the difference. Parang akala niya lagi lang malabo. My goodness. So, she recommended, syempre, naggawa ng mga tests muna. She recommended for him to wear Ortho-K. And what it does pala, kasi pala yung mga mata natin, pag lumalabo siya, nag-elongate yung mga eyeballs natin. So, yun na nga, he wears Ortho-K, parang braces din, kaya may ortho, I suppose. He wears it at night, he sleeps with it, and what it does is, parang it flattens his cornea. So, nakokontrol yung pag-elongate ng mga eyeballs. And, since he's been wearing it for 2 years, we started 750 or almost 800. Now we're down to 500 without Ortho-K. But with Ortho-K, mas mababa pa, mga nasa 350 lang. So, that's very significant. Ang galing nun. Kasi, hindi nagre-regenerate yung mata natin eh. I don't think so. So, natutulungan yung mata niya talaga na hindi maging progressive masyado. Sa akin, mas importante yung hindi na tumataas yung grado niya na ganong kabilis kesa dun sa bumaba yung grado. Kasi alam ko naman na, I'm also very realistic, alam ko naman na, sinabi rin naman sa amin ni Dr. Abisamis na hindi na yun babalik sa 2020. But, when he gets older, he can do, LASIK, right? So, but for now, kasi yung laser, that's better for people who are much older kasi bumabalik din kaagad. So for now, we're good with Ortho-K and sobrang effective siya and I'm so happy that we found Dr. Abisamis. Next time, I will tell you guys or I will shoot a video of Nate. Ayun si Nate. Kung ano yung naging process namin kasi syempre mata yun, medyo delicate, kailangan matuto siya na siya yung magkabit, hindi pwedeng ako, although in the beginning I was the one putting it on his eye. Ako yung naglalagay ng contact lenses niya, pero ngayon siya na talaga, he's so responsible. I don't even have to tell him to wear the Ortho-K. He knows na yung parang na niya talaga, naging second nature na niya na na alagaan yung mata niya kasi alam niya kung ano yung mangyayari. I was very frank also with him. And I'm very, very proud of him. So, anyway, once again, we wanna say thank you to Dr. Abisamis, Abisamis Eyes. Abisamis Eyes ba o eye?
I don't know.
Para sa mga mommies na gusto nyo malaman kung concerned kayo kung ano nangyayari sa mga anak nyo, medyo manmanan nyo lang. Like kasi ako nag-umpisa si Nate, yung pag nanonood ng TV, bigla na lang lumalapit sa TV. Yung ang lapit na talaga, katabi na niya, nasa mukha na niya yung TV. So nagtataka ako, bakit ganun? He wasn't like that naman before. And then he would squint. And then he would always ask for us to buy him glasses. Nung umpisa parang porma-porma lang naman. Pero parang I think siguro yung thinking niya baka matulungan siya. Kasi pala, when they're young, hindi sila magko-complain na wala silang nakikita kasi they don't know the difference. Kung malabo, akala nila malabo lang talaga. So, yun, manmanan nyo yung mga anak nyo, mga mommies, yung ganon, yung nagsusquint lagi or laging nadadapa or nababangga kung saan-saan. That could be a sign. So, pa-check nyo yung mga eyes kasi grabe, importante talaga. Kasi lalo na sa kanila, mga bata pa sila. Also, paarawan natin kasi actually yun yung nangyari kay Nate na during the pandemic, hindi siya lumalabas, hindi siya naaarawan. So, nagkaroon siya ng vitamin D deficiency. And syempre, nagagadget siya, yung school niya online. So, it was all a culprit. Pero ang main reason kung ba't tumaas yung grado ng mata niya is because of wala siyang source ng vitamin D. And yung tablet, yung vitamins, okay naman yun, nakakatulong naman yun. But kaya lang sa akin, parang andyan yung sun, it's free. All they have to do is go out. So it's very important. It also helps their immune system. So mga bata, lumabas kayo, maglakad kayo, or maglaro kayo sa arawan. Once again, I want to say thank you to Dr. Abisamis of Abisamis Eyes or Eye. Thank you very much for introducing us to Ortho-K. Well, thank you for watching. Until next time. Mwah!